Hello guys and welcome back to my channel and a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this ALLDOCUBE iPlay 8 Android tablet from Gearbest.com. Do you want to know if this Android tablet's any good? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. Now it's been a little while since this Android tablet has actually been on the market, but before going to the specifications to see if this tablet is indeed any good, let me quickly get into the unboxing. Let's get to the fast forward mode. So what do we have? Well, first of all, the packaging is very good, with lots of bubble wrap wrapped around the box. On the outside of the box, well, everything is simple and plain, with the ALLDOCUBE logo centered in the middle of the top lid, with the details of the battery and power voltage to the side. Inside the box, we have the ALLDOCUBE tablet itself, with foam protection surrounding the rim, and this tablet comes in a smooth pocket protection sleeve. Below the Android phone protection, we also have the micro USB charger cable with the plug head not included, and the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 8 instruction manual. Well, let's just move all this aside for now. Let's go ahead and look at the quality of the ALLDOCUBE tablet itself. First of all, this particular tablet comes in white and grey. It's made mainly out of plastic. The design is clean, minimalist, and the build quality, including buttons, is very good. Talking about buttons, if you go to the right hand side, you'll have the power on off switch, the volume control buttons. Sliding over to the left hand side of the tablet, you'll find that there's a TF memory card slot expandable to 32GB, not 128GB indicated within the product description up on the Gearbest website. To the bottom of this Android tablet, you'll find there's a microphone. To the top, there's a HDMI output, enabling you to output the tablet image should you need to a TV, monitor or projector. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack, a micro USB insert for charging, a rear speaker to the bottom of the tablet shell, and finally we have the dual cameras, with the rear camera being that of 2.0 megapixels and the front camera being that of 0.3 megapixels for face chats. Now it's advisable to give this tablet a good charge before using it, but I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on just to see what power the tablet battery already has. So here we go. Let's just first remove the screen cover film. Let's power this little tablet up, and there you can see the ALLDOCUBE logo, and roughly that took around 50 seconds on the first startup. So let's just go ahead and click what language we're going to choose. Let's just choose English United States. Obviously I'm the UK boy. And without showing my Wi-Fi, we're going to go ahead and choose which one is mine. So now the Wi-Fi is set up, let me just quickly go through the settings. No thank you. So now I've logged into my Google, I'm just going to go forward and click accept to this. Okay. So you can protect this device using a PIN, pattern or password to unlock the screen. And on the first menu you'll see the welcome note saying wallpapers, widgets and settings. Touch and hold the background to customize. Okay, I've got that, thank you. So that's not the real time. So first of all, I'm just going to go into the settings and I'm just going to update the tablet. Now it says your device is currently up to date. Nice one. So now this tablet software is fully updated, let's move it to the side and let's go into some of the specifications just here. This Android tablet runs on Android 6.0 Marshmallow. It has a MTK 8163 quad-core 1.3 GHz processor, 1GB RAM, 16GB ROM, and 5G dual-band Wi-Fi. It also has GPS, Bluetooth 4.0, FM radio, 3500 mAh battery, and this ALLDOCUBE iPlay 8 tablet uses Mali 720 GPU, which has OK gain compatibility. Well, we'll see soon enough. In addition, the thickness of this tablet is 0.8 cm, 19.5 cm in length, and 13.6 cm in width. Looking at the features on this tablet, at the bottom of the screen you'll see 6 on-screen buttons. From right to left you'll see that you've got volume up, the previous open Windows button, the home button, the back button, volume down button, and lastly we have a snappy screenshot button, which is cool. So no having to press the two buttons like you do on other Android tablets. You just simply press once and snap away. Let's go on to images. We can take a snapshot of the snapshot. And the snapshot of the snapshot of the snapshot of the snapshot. To infinity and beyond. Opening up the camera, you'll see that this camera does indeed have zoom and the HDR mode. But you have to be steady with this tablet to take a shot for the best results in good light. Like I said, the zoom works too. And with the 5-point touchscreen, it's very sensitive with 2 fingers or with 5. Images are okay with this camera, but don't expect fantastic results for your Instagram pics. Video using the same camera is okay too, as long as you've got good light levels. The screen object tracking also works fine. Also includes auto capture when a smile is detected. And with the front 0.3 megapixel camera, well, both video and picture quality are minimal and grainy. After downloading Netflix, has no faults at all and playback is smooth. You can expect a screen resolution of 1024 by 768 XGA, and with the 7.85 inch FHD IPS screen, it's bright enough having a 178-degree viewing angle and a suitable 4.3 screen ratio. In addition, the screen rotation is swift with the G sensor. And this tablet supports apps just like Skype, YouTube and other social media site apps. This ALLDOCUBE tablet does come with a search bar, which is Yahoo, but I went ahead and downloaded the Google Chrome search bar. It's real easy and it works fine. The gaming aspect of this tablet is fine with games like Asphalt Airborne 8, No, sadly this tablet doesn't support games like PUBG, and although I've not downloaded an awful lot of games for this little tablet, I'd say that maybe there's a few more games that may not be compatible with this device, as this device sadly won't be getting any more updates of its current version of Android. But guys, if you do know of any games that do work and don't work with this particular tablet, please feel free to comment and list them in the comment section down below. Now, as you may be aware, throughout the video, the sound from the rear speaker isn't that great and quality is kind of tinny. But the headphone quality is decent and it also has an equalizer. Bluetooth and wireless connectivity is good too, and without the need for Wi-Fi, you can also use this tablet as a GPS satellite navigation. And well, that leads me to my overall score out of 10 for this ALLDOCUBE Android tablet. This tablet is on sale right now on the Gearbest website for £38.24. That's $50.89 in US dollars. So being as this tablet is indeed a budget tablet, and knowing the specifications before reviewing this tablet today, well, what am I going to give this tablet out of 10? Drum rolls please. Well, I'm going to have to give this ALLDOCUBE Android tablet today 7 out of 10. Everything lives up to the expectations of the description up on the Gearbest website, all except for the external memory card insert size. The build quality is good, and for 1GB RAM is fast. It's fine with basic gaming, social media and watching YouTube videos. Again, with the exclusion of the poor rear speaker quality, I'd say that this tablet is ideal for a child that ain't fussy, that wants a tablet that's easy to use, that is cheap, and that looks good. Overall, it's a lot of tablet for the low price. It doesn't heat up, it's very lightweight, the screenshot button is a great addition, and I almost forgot to say that the battery, well, it charges up real fast. So yeah guys, I'd certainly recommend this tablet if you're looking for a budget tablet, and I'll leave the Buy It Now link in the video description along with the screen protector too. And as usual guys, feel free to comment, don't forget to share, please smash that like button, please subscribe, hit that bell option to stay updated on all my new uploads, and I'll see you guys over on my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace! Being on the market, but before going to the best, there's a TF memory card slot, expandable up to 32. Just looked at my finger.